kumsah ni le sompariat Mizoram Civil Service MCS Prelims Paper 2 Booklet Series A zo na le chhana te tuntuma hian kan en hovin kan zir ho le don ani malama kan soito angkhanin darkar ni chung hun kan neya Prelims Paper 2 hian mark zahni full mark zahni apuni zo na le chhana lut ngalila. Question number 1 atanga number 5 in kar hi passage tuna passage kan mu mek hi passage kan chiara atanga chan turania ti chuanin passage kan lo chiar du ni chuan video hi kan lo pause anga chumi hnuwa zo na le chhana te kan en mai don nia zo na te hi chiar vek kher lo mai la adikna le answer ki a solution kha kan enzel mai doni zona pakhat na question number 1 chan na chu B ani Africa Asia Pan America le Europe tinia. Question number 2 answer chu B tho the division tini. Question number 3 chan na chu C. Question number 4 chan na chu D ani. Question number 5 chan na chu B. Ti chuanin passage number 1 passage masaber zo na le chan na te kan zowa ti chuanin passage number 2 na hianin question number 6 atanga 10 in kar chung kha chan turania tuna kan mu mek hi passage kan chiar turania chumi tang chuan question number 6 to 10 hi kan chang don ani zona parukna answer chu B ani. Question number 7 chan na chu A. Question number 8 chan na chu D ani. Question number 9 zona chan na chu C. Question number 10 chan na chu A ani. Ti chuanin passage 2 kan zawa passage 3 a hian question number 11 le 14 kar chung chan na zona ta oma passage kan chira tangin zona som pakhat na tang som palina kan chang don ani tuna kan mu mek hi passage ania ngun takin kan lo chiranga kan chiar zo hnuwa zona le chhana te zona te kan chang don ani. Question number 11 the establishment of ISRO was tinia 11 chhana chu B ani preceded by another organization. Number 12 zona chhana chu B thawani. Question number 13 chhana chu D. Question number 14 chhana chu B. Question number 15 chhana chu A ani channel. Question number 16 chhana chu D. Question number 17 chhana chu D tho ania. Question number 18 chhana po hi D tho ani. Question number 19 chhana chu A ani. Joining question number 20 chhana chu D. All of these tinia. Question number 21 chhana chu C ani. Strong language. Question number 23 chhana chu A. Question number 24 chhana chu D ani. All of these. Question number 24 communication is the process of dash tinia. 25 answer to B ani. Question number 26 which of these is a type of informal communication tinia. 26 answer to D grapevine ani. 27 question number 27 chhana chu A ani. Question number 28 chana chu B ani. Group think. It's one in question number 29 natranga question number 33 in kar hi passage emi passage kan sia natranga kan chan tur lo ni le chon ngun takin kan chiaranga kan chiar zo nuwa question number 29 natranga 33 in kar hi kan en le don ni question number 29 zo na chana chu B ani. Question number 30 D. Question number 31 A. Question number 32 C. Question number 33 answer to C ani. Tichuan in question number 34 atanga 38 in kar hi question hlom khat ania. Tichuan in assertion le reason aron peya hemi assertion le reason manghianin zona dikber kha option dikber kha thlan chua turani. Question number 34 answer to 34 zona chana tur option B A B C hawa D hawa hianin question dikber a omlova question hin tiswal dewa chuwang chuanin question number 34 hi chu mark compensate turani zona chana dik omlo tinani chu. Question number 35 answer to A ani. Question number 36 answer hi A thawani. Question number 36 chana chu A ani ya. Question number 37 chana chu C ani. A is true but R is false din ya. 38 chana chu A ani. Tichuanin question number 39 atanga somli le patni in kar hi question hlom khat ania. Avai vain kan chiar vek lo mai nga ti hianin video hi kan lo post alok mai nga chuanin uluk takin kan chiar nga a question omziate share kan tumanga tichuanin I kahemi direction aron pek I mang hian question number 39 le 42 in kar hi chan kan tum donani hemi direction a hin daron pek hingun takin kan chiaranga tichuanin 39 to 42 question hi kan chang donani. Chuanin 39 zona chana dik chu D. Question 40 B. Question number 41 C. Question number 42 A. Tichuanin question 43 hianin question zona le chana dik chu question number 43 hian B ani. Zona hi asai dewa ngun taka chiaranga ya. 43 answer to B ani. Chuanin 44 answer hi C ani ya. 45 answer to C. Question number 46 answer to C tho ani. Zona te hi athui deuh hleka ngun taka uluk taka chiara uluk taka chanchi ani. Question number 46 chana to C ani ya. Question number 47 the final step in the decision making process is to dash tinia. 47 answer to C ani. 48 na which of the following factors contrasts the difference between a policy and a rule tinia. Sumli le pariat answer to A policy established parameters tini. Question number 49 answer to B. Question number 50 answer to B tho ania. Question number 51 answer po B tho. Question number 52 answer to C. Question number 53 answer to 53 answer to C ani. Question number 54 answer to D ani. Use future projections ti ani. 55 question number 55 answer to A ani ah. Question number 56 answer to C ani. Question number 57 answer to A. Randomness error ani. Tichuanin question number 58 atang of 60 in kar hi tihian option pali zela omta option pali a hianin adang lambik oma chumi dang lambik chu e thai chua turani tik turani. Tichuanin 58 answer to C ani. 59 answer to C. 60 answer to B ani. Tichuanin question number 61 le 62 B ki question mark anon da a question mark B ki enge ti kha zon chua turani. Question number 61 answer dik to A ani. Question number 62 correct answer to D ani. Tichuanin question number 63 ahian code language problem aron da a tichuanin 63 answer to D ani 8. Question number 64 le 65 b hianin what problem oma ta chuanin question mark hianin question mark a hianin enge da turti kha kan ngai tuanga kan zong don ani. Question number 64 hian display show ania chuan send ti le question mark ti nia 64 correct answer to D ani. Question number 65 correct answer to C ani. Question number 66 le 67 hianin similar word big synonyms kan thlang chu kanga. 66 hian deceive tinia similar meaning synonyms to 66 answer to D ani. Mislead tinia deceptive the synonym to 67 answer to B. Illusory tiani. Question number 68 le 69 B ki question hlom khatania 68 answer to D ani. 69 answer to C ani. Chuanin question number 70 hianin picture problem maron da a. Where should be the highway be elevated or raised tinia. Chuanin correct answer to 70 correct answer to hemi question hi correct option aron pek diklo wangin a question hi diklo wangin to be compensate mark hi compensate turani. Question number 71 correct answer to D ani. Question number 72 po hi correct option anon ti diklawa option hi anon da diklawa chuanin mark compensate turani. Chutiang bokin question number 73 po hi correct answer hi A B C D option zing ahian correct answer anon da diklawa chumi wang chuan he po hi compensate turani. 74 answer to C 24 days ania. 75 answer to A. 76 answer to A tho ania. Question number 77 answer po A tho ani 0. Question number 78 correct answer to C. Question number 79 correct answer po C niin. Question number 80 correct answer to B ani. 5:8. Tichuanin question 81 ah hian chart problem maron peya ta chuanin question number 81 answer to A ani. Question number 82 answer to B. Question number 83 answer to D. Question number 84 answer to C. Question 85. Question number 85 hianin correct answer to A ani 3 by 5. Question number 86 correct answer to B. Question number 87 le question number 19 kar hi passage kan sira tanga chan tura ni le a hemi passage hi uluk takin kan sira chuanin question number 87 le 19 kar kha kan chang do na ni. 87 crime is more likely to be more profitable in A tinia. Question number 87 correct answer to A ani credulous society. Question number 88 answer to B street crimes ani. 89 answer to C persons with a few education. Question 90 answer to D extremely learned tini. Question number 91 le 95 in kar hi passage kan sira tanga chan turan le dona uluk takin kan changa nga kan siar photanga dichuanin kan chang dona ni. Question number 91 question answer chana question chana to D ani. Question number 92 answer to B ania. 93 chana to A. Question number 94 chana to D. Question number 95 chana to B order tinia. Tichuanin question number 96 atanga 100 in kar hi emi passage kan siar na tanga chan tura ni leya uluk takin kan changa nga athei phei chuan kumsa ni le som pariat MCS Prelims paper 2 Booklet series A kha kan download anga chute tang chuan uluk takin kan siar anga chuan question number 96 atanga 100 in kar hi kan chang le dona ni. Question number 96 answer to B ani dignified. Question number 97 chana to A design of music. Question number 98 chana to C ani Italians. Question number 99 chana to B sexual ani ya. Chuanin question number top bar question 100 chana to D ani he allowed music to be as passionate and emotional ti turani. Kang song khatun chum kumsang ni le som pariat MCS Prelims paper 2 Booklet series A ami zo na le chana te kan en ho thei le kan zur ho thei de chu an ni e.